Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pregnancy update bump date. So today this will be my third, I think, bump date, or I haven't showed you guys my belly really in any video, but I've given you guys updates throughout this whole process of how I've been feeling, and you guys know that I've been pretty sick. So today I am 11 weeks. Tomorrow we get to find out the genders. We are doing a blood panorama type of testing, which does genetics, it does gender and DNA. So tomorrow is going to be a huge day for us. I'm so excited. So today I thought I would give you guys a little update on how I'm feeling. And obviously you can tell I've got makeup on. I've kind of gotten ready. I'm wearing my pajamas because I'm filming 2 videos today. This is the second one. First one was pink blush. This one I'm just like, I'm gonna keep my jammies on and just relax and tell you guys how I'm feeling. So yeah. So how are my symptoms? Well, week 11 has been kind of hard. These last 3 days I have thrown up. I've been very sick, but I've noticed my nausea throughout the last few days has been like more in the morning time, like up until like 11:30, 12. And I throw up and it's horrible and I'm feeling crazy, gross. And then after that, I feel like throughout the rest of the day, I just have like fatigue and kind of a little bit of nausea. But for me, like the last few days, it's been pretty bad, like in the morning times. But throughout the rest of the days, I've been able to kind of like do my thing, kind of clean the house, finally make my bed. Haven't done that in a long time. But I feel like I still have zero motivation, like to do makeup, hair, get ready, any of that. Like it's hard, and I have zero motivation also because I'm getting acne. That's another symptom that I've been getting, and I've noticed the last 3 weeks have been really bad. I feel like I've been getting a lot of like little tiny pimples on my forehead, which I'm not pleased about. I haven't gotten too many on my cheeks, but I feel like I just am getting so dry and textured on my forehead. So that's been with week like 10, 9, 10, 11. And that's not very fun. So it makes me like definitely not want to put makeup on because I'm feeling really gross. So first of all, I'm like throwing up. So who wants to do makeup when they're throwing up? And then just like fatigue, and that's like horrible. Also, okay, we are kind of jumping around. So nausea, fatigue, zits. That's what's been going on. And then what else has been happening? Oh my gosh. So I have noticed, which I didn't have any of this last pregnancy, that when I don't eat, I start to feel a little nauseous, which is normal. Well, it's not supposed to be normal, but that like happens during pregnancy. But for me, I feel like I am like almost to like the dehydration point or something like that. And my hands kind of start cramping, and I feel like my ears like start ringing, and like I have to eat something quick because my body just goes in like shutdown mode. Like it's bad. Like I have like get the sweats and my armpits are just like drenched, and like my chest is wet and my back is wet, and I don't know if that's normal. So I'm probably gonna have to ask my doctor tomorrow, like all these random things. Like, hey, yeah, so my ears start ringing and I like my hands start kind of cramping. But I guess that's normal if like you start losing like electrolytes and food, which happens when you are throwing up and you're nauseated. So I've been drinking Gatorade and trying to drink water. Water hasn't been as hard for me these last couple weeks, which has been awesome because I feel like the first few weeks water was horrible. Courtney got me a water bottle, so I think that's like motivated me a little bit to drink some, but I'm definitely not at 8 glasses a day, which I need to definitely be at. But with that being said, yes, I get like this like fatiguey, I guess it's still in the lines of being fatigued, but like cramping, my ears start ringing, I'm like super like almost achy, my armpits are sweating, I'm just so gross. So that's been happening, especially these last like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So I feel like I've been getting all these different symptoms. So what is something that has happened that's new? The last 2 days I've noticed I've been getting some Braxton Hicks, which are usually not common like in the beginning of pregnancy. Like they usually happen after like 15 weeks, I think. But with Hudson, I was 13 weeks, I think, when I had my first Braxton Hick. Some women don't even experience them, but for me, I feel like I always get them so early. I started getting them a couple days ago. I had one and I was like, whoa, like ouch. And then yesterday I had one, and then today I've had one, and it's like, but it's definitely not as bad as like a labor or anything like that. It's just kind of like a tightening feeling that I'm getting in my belly, and it's not that comfy, but it's not, I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask my doctor tomorrow and be like, okay, I'm like 11 weeks one day, like, it's not okay, like if I'm getting Braxton Hicks this early on, so I'll have to ask her that. So, I've had nausea, fatigue, I've had, oh, and I've had a lot of, what is it called? As I'm getting it right now, like acid reflux. So I have been doing Tums a lot lately. I'm like stuttering. I've been doing Tums and just eating those like by the hour, like 2 an hour, if it's like really, really bad. So I feel like these last few weeks I've had more symptoms than I did with Hudson in the first like while. I feel like with Hudson it was like gradually like nausea, and then later on I'd get like a little bit of acid reflux. I never had like all of these at just like once. I feel like right now it's just like a lot, which probably is normal because I'm having 2. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I'm feeling right now. Sleeping is hard, but I've been taking Unisom, which has like helped me a lot to sleep, but it's not as bad as it was when I was pregnant with Hudson, I feel like. And yeah, other than like my back is like really achy, but that's like normal during every pregnancy, back aches and stuff like that. So I'm trying to see if I can maybe find like a chiropractor or something. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I always feel like I like push things off to the last minute, but still wearing my C-bands, if you can see. That's pretty much it. Those are all my symptoms right now. This morning was bad. Very lucky that I actually put makeup on today. It's because I needed to post the pink blush maternity video, so that kind of motivated me a little bit to do that. So I made 2 videos today. What an accomplishment. Haven't done that in forever. And Papa, Jaxie boy, is laying right by me, and Hudson's taking a nap, so I got to film. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my 11-week update. I'm going to show you guys my bump. It's getting very largical, and yeah, don't judge. I'm only 11 weeks. I've only gained 3 pounds, which is nice. I was 115 when it started, and like maybe I've gained like 4 pounds. I think 3 or 4. So right now I'm 118. So, show you my bump. It's getting large for me. It's getting a little bit tight, and yeah, I'm not ashamed because I have 2 in there. So here we go. Here's with clothes, my little jammies. I have been wearing a lot of oils and stuff. Look at a lot of oils on my belly to prevent stretch marks. I've got so many veins, but this is the bump so far. I feel like it's so big, guys. Ooh. And my belly button's like already kind of starting to protrude. Ah. Luckily, no stretch marks so far. Only 11 weeks. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna be like out to here. I can't even imagine what it's gonna look like. But this is the belly. Woo. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!